bagong bukas siya na grocery, guys. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung anong may offer ng grocery na to. Something new. So, let us see. Ito siya sa Hiranandani, Puway. Ayun. Ganda din. Parang may garden sa loob ng building. Parang sa marina. Ay, marina feels. This is it. Diba? Parang marina lang. Yan na siya. The name is Fresh Pick. Tapos may mga carts. Pero parang as per the budget, ito lang yata yung cart na dapat kong dalhin. Okay, so let's see. Ito siya. Let's get inside. Namaste! Ay, may mga truffles. Choices ng cheese. Malaki siya. Discover is there to celebrate. Hanay. Nice. Uy! Naalala ko yung sa parang sa Carrefour. Not very sweet, no? Yeah, but the texture of the chico, you know, like sandy texture, it's still there. Wow. Yeah, you will really know that it is chico.
It is naturally.
Yes. Zero sugar. Kikuman Ponzu. Country of origin, USA. Gikan siya sa US, dili siya gikan sa Japan. Excuse me. Healthy snacks. Nice. Please come and visit this Fresh Peak grocery store. They have a lot of options to choose from, international options, and I'm sure you will enjoy it in this grocery store.